Welcome to Digital Promises Data Ready Playbook. The Data Ready Playbook is a free resource designed to support district and school leadership with developing a data ready plan and selecting a use case that will guide the creation of an effective, interoperable data solution that meets your distinct needs, capacity, and context. You can access the playbook's content and learn more about data readiness here on our homepage. Let's dive into the playbook by first exploring the Readiness Framework. This is the Readiness Framework. It is the backbone of the Data Ready Playbook and focuses on three readiness domains: project governance, needs assessment, and implementation plan, all of which are critical to successfully implementing data interoperability projects. Each domain is divided into three readiness stages: awareness, developing evidence, and ready for interoperability. The Data Ready Playbook provides activities for each domain and stage to help your district advance your readiness. When your district has completed the Ready for Interoperability stage of all three domains, you will be prepared to move to the next phase of implementation of a successful interoperable solution for your unique use case. The best way to understand your district's readiness for data interoperability is by completing the Readiness Diagnostic. This diagnostic will assess your district's progress to date on the Readiness Framework and provide a customized learning plan for your district to follow when using the Data Ready Playbook. Let's take a look at the Readiness Diagnostic now. This is the Readiness Diagnostic. The diagnostic includes questions aligned to each domain and stage in the Readiness Framework. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can save and share your results with your team. To complete the diagnostic, respond to each set of questions by selecting the response that most aligns to your district's current status. After completing the diagnostic, you will receive a summary of your district's status in each domain, followed by a chapter recommendation for where to start in the Data Ready Playbook and access to your district's customized learning plan. Here are the chapters and activities in the Data Ready Playbook. Each chapter in the playbook focuses on a specific readiness domain and stage and contains a set of curated activities, use cases, and resources. Indicators in each chapter provide high-level goals for districts to meet before moving on to the next chapter. Districts can advance through the playbook by completing recommended chapter activities that are indicator aligned. Districts can also reference chapter-specific resources and use cases for further support. As districts use the playbook, they can track their work by marking activities as they are completed, which will allow your district to see their chapter progress and overall playbook progress. After completing the playbook, your district will be ready to present your interoperability plan using the Data Ready Project Plan and Data Ready Pitch Deck. These resources will allow your district to clearly articulate your district's business case, goals, timeline, and budget. This is the Data Ready Use Case Library. The use cases in this collection help you learn how other districts have addressed challenges similar to yours and highlight resources and best practices. You can filter data interoperability use cases by district type, readiness stage, or challenge area to find examples. The Data Ready Playbook is a comprehensive resource to help your district prepare for data interoperability. Enjoy exploring and advancing your data readiness.